Welcome to this tutorial on how to sign in to your Gmail account. First of all, you need to go to www.gmail.com. Type it in the URL address bar. Then type your username. Username is your email address. Type your email address considering no spacing required between your letters or numbers or characters. When you want to get at gmail.com, you click Shift +2. Shift and the button 2 on your keyboard. When you're done with your username, click Next. In this screen, type your password. Your password might contain caps lock letter where you need to click Shift and the letter from your keyboard together at the same time. It can contain numbers and characters. Enter your passwords correctly. You will be able to check if your passwords entered correctly by clicking on the little I or Show Password. If your password is correct, click Next. Now you're going to the next screen where they will show you your profile. Just click on the Gmail and here you go. You're inside your inbox. Thanks for watching.